Today, I want to tell you about a remedy that might be exactly what you've been looking for. If you suffer from nighttime pain in your knees, legs, or joints, the kind that even wakes you up from sleep, this simple recipe could really help. There are some types of pain that no medicine or cream seems to relieve. Especially when joint problems caused by aging, past injuries, or calcification come into play, it gets even harder. But the natural method I'm about to share has brought relief to many people over the years, including myself. I learned this remedy from someone about 10 years ago. Since then, I can honestly say my pain has disappeared. So here's the recipe. You only need 2 ingredients, natural honey and table salt. Honey is known for its anti-inflammatory and cell-regenerating properties. And don't underestimate salt. It helps reduce swelling and relieve pain. How to prepare it? Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 tablespoon of salt. Apply this mixture to your knees, legs, or any painful joint. Don't rub it in too hard, just spread it gently. You can wrap the area with plastic film or cover it with a thin cloth. Leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then rinse it off with warm water. That's it. If you use it regularly, you'll notice a significant decrease in pain. And like me, and many others, you might even get rid of it completely. This remedy also makes sense medically. When absorbed through the skin, honey helps deliver oxygen to tissues and supports healing. Salt relieves muscle tension and flushes out toxins. Used together, they create a kind of natural painkiller effect. Sounds worth trying, doesn't it? If you give it a try, leave a comment and let me know. Let's see how many people it helps. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and positive.